Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to strike through here in Smartsheet. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time here in Smartsheet, I want you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Using Strikethrough in Smartsheet is a straightforward process that is particularly helpful in tracking progress, organizing tasks, or indicating changes. Now, once you are logged into your Smartsheet account, just go to the file that you're working with. In my case, I'm going to be using this one. I'm going to click on it, and then now once you are inside the sheet that you're working, so there are two ways for you to be able to use the Strikethrough. One is just go here on the top corner of your interface. There's going to be an option that says Strikethrough. You see that? It's very easy, right? For example, I'm going to... Now, as you can see, if you wanted to strike through all the text here simultaneously all at once, all you're going to do is select all that, and of course, click the strike through. If you want to remove the strike through, of course, you just have to click this button again. It's that simple. All right. Now, the other option is going to be using a formatting or conditional formatting option. All right. This one, I'm going to rename this specific column as maybe complete, but I'll do that later. Go to the conditional formatting, and from here, the next thing that we're going to do is, now we're going to create a new rule here. For example, we're going to select for the column for condition. It's going to be a strike through. Okay, and then now I'm sorry, should select the column 16 where is going to be the checkbox. All right, now the idea is now select the checked. All right, click on OK. Now, for example, if the column 16 is checked, you want to apply this format, all right? And then that's going to be the strike through. You see that? And click on OK. Let's try that. You see that here? It's being strike through, right? And again, we can basically go back again in the conditional formatting right here. And you might want to make sure that the specific column is on the proper location for the formatting here. And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.